Hey, today we're going to make one of my favorite recipes. This is a healthy pumpkin muffin, and you can change it up a little bit depending on which cake mix you use. Today we're going to use 15 ounces of pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie filling. I'm using a spice cake mix today. But you can do this with chocolate, whatever you like. You can mix it by hand or you can use an electric mixer. Alright, I'm just going to take my rubber spatula around to make sure I've got all the mix mixed in. And it's just 2 ingredients. Okay? Don't add anything else to it unless you want to put some chocolate chips or something. Okay? And we're going to put these about 2/3 of the way full. Scoop this in. And this is basically a cookie scoop. One of the best things you can use. That way you get an even amount in each of the cups. Once you've got them all scooped up, we're going to put them in the oven at 350, and it's from 18 minutes to 22, just depending on your oven. So let's put these in, try this recipe, and let me know what you think.